Hey guys, welcome to my next video, and this would be solving, okay? Solving by factoring. Okay, now if you watched my other video, you noticed that I said if you had factoring in it, you would find the parentheses and you would leave it as the parentheses. However, in this video, we're looking at the key information right there, solving by factoring, okay? So I am not going to go in there and reteach factoring in this video. I'm simply going to go ahead and take a quadratic, say for instance, if I can do it, x squared plus x minus 30, okay? And I'm going to set this equal to 0, okay? Does it matter what it's set to? No. If it says to solve, that means you need to, if it is set to a smiley face, okay? Or a smiley face over here, or a y over here, or an f of x over here. It does not matter what it's set to. What you need to understand that if the directions say to solve, then you need to carry your parentheses, set everything equal to 0, and give me two actual solutions for x. Okay? So let's try this one. This one I know from personal experience because I can figure out and do all this stuff, and I know that if I set up my my cross, I get negative 30 here and 1 here. What factors of negative 30 when combined together will give me a positive 1? Well, gee, I see that there's a negative sign, so I know I can go in there and start multiplying and seeing, okay, does any of this going to get me anywhere near a positive 1? No. 1 times 30 is not going to get me anywhere near 1. 2 times 15, no. 3 times 10, no. 4 doesn't go into it. 5 times 6. 5 times 6 is going to be my lucky number because I know one of these is going to have to be negative. Don't know which one, but I know that with 5 and 6, I'm at least capable of setting up a subtraction problem to give me a positive 1. So the question becomes, which one's positive and which one's negative? Well, according to negative rules, I can do 6 minus 5 and get 1. So I'm okay with that right there. All right? So what I'm going to do is put this into my box. X squared, negative 30, negative 5x, and 6x. Now I'm going to divide, do what I need to do. X is going to go here, 6 is going to go here, x is going to go here, and negative 5 is going to go here. Why? Because I have a negative sign right here that needs to carry outside. How can I check? If you watch my other videos on factoring, you will know that I can just multiply the outside pieces together to see if I get what my insides is. X times x, does that give me x squared? Yes. X times 6, does that give me 6x? X times a negative 5, does that give me a negative 5x? And then finally, negative 5 times 6, does that give me a negative 30? Yes. So, I have, I'm going to erase this. I have x minus 5 times x plus 6 is equal to 0. How do I solve this? X minus 5 equals 0 and x plus 6 is equal to 0. You set both factors equal to 0 and simply solve for x. Add 5 to both sides on this one. X is equal to a positive 5 and then subtract 6 from this side. That will give me x is equal to a negative 6. And that is solving by factoring. Those are my two solutions for x.